question says, a bus stop is barricaded using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeters and height 1 meter. So you can see they are in different units. If only the outer side, that is the CSA of each cone, is to be painted, and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per square meter. Find the total cost of painting all the cones. Very simple, students. See, total cost of painting 50 hollow cones. Understand this. So cost of 50 hollow cones. First of all, we need to find area of 50 hollow cone. So let us see how to find area of one cone first. The area of one cone will be CSA, that is curved surface area. Multiply this by 50. Now this area is nothing but the area of 50 cone. Now you got the area of 50 cone. Multiply this by cost, which is the cost. Cost is 12 rupees here. That is, cost is 12 rupees. Now this will fetch the answer for you. But an important point here. Okay. Now we know for calculation of curved surface area, the formula is pi RL. Pi value they have given 3.14. You are going to use 0.14. The radius they have given the base diameter, that is, look, base diameter is given as 40 centimeter. You need to find the radius, which is diameter by 2. So 40 by 2, 20 centimeter. Now since the height is in meter, you need to convert the radius into meter as well. So radius equal to 20 by 100, that is 0.2 meter, the radius. Next they have given height. So height is given as 1 meter. Look, both of them are in same unit. Now for calculation of curved surface area, if you look, you require L, that is slant height. So to calculate the value of L, this is why this is important. Okay, check how to calculate the value of L. L equal to square root of r square plus h square. Your r value, that is radius, 0.2 square, and height is 1 square. If you solve this, 0.2 square is 0.04 plus 1, which is 1.04. So the slant height L is given as square root of 1.04. Now, if you observe the question carefully, they have already given the value for square root of 1.04. What is the value of square root of 1.04? 1.02. So you need not solve this by using long division method, because they already gave you the value in the question. Square root of 1.04 is 1.0. Now this value can be used substituting everything into the formula, get the solution. Look, number of cone 50, diameter is 0.4, radius is 0.2. Okay, like the calculation was done here. So cost of painting, they have given 1 meter square cost rupees 12. Pi value is 3.14. Then they gave square root of 1.04 as 1.0. All those data were extracted from the question. Now you saw how I have calculated the L value, where we got square root of 1.04, which is 1.0. So the curved surface area is calculated by the formula, and the area tends to be like this. And the total area, as I explained you, that is nothing but 15 to curved surface. And the total cost, again, you directly use this formula, student. You directly write pi RL into 12. This will make your solution much more simple. Instead of writing in this manner, you can directly solve this. Total cost is equal to pi RL into how many cones? 50, and cost of 1 meter square 12. So you can directly put all this value. Pi value, you know, 3.14. The radius we are aware, which is 0.2, and the slant height, that is 1.02 to 50. Now, once you solve like this, the solution will be much more simple, because you see 50 into 2 will become 100. Just bring a decimal one digit before, that is nothing but 10. Similarly, to carry out the calculation like this, much simple, and the final answer should be rupees 4.3. So that's it. So this was the last question of exercise 11.1. Try to have a very good command on formula, because majority of the questions are solved if you know the formula correctly. That's all for today.